I'm a Japanese writer. Name is Mikan Oshidari. I was smartphone addiction, but I switched to flip phone and dumb phone. I introduce digital detox in my YouTube channel and my books. Today, I introducing the latest flip phone released in Japan this August. It's called Raku-Raku Phone. Raku-Raku Phone, it means easy to use phone. You might be thinking a flip phone now. For the elderly, people with disabilities, children, and anyone looking for a digital detox. Jan! Jan! White and black. It's needed now more than ever. Simple and easy to use. You're highly functional. Are you addicted to your smartphone? Are you a slave to your smartphone? Now's the time to think about the digital detox and your health.